In this puzzle, we have 3 rows. And on each row, there is 1 gem on both sides. Can you see the repeating pattern? I think so. Let's solve this puzzle by breaking it down into little pieces, just like we did in the last puzzle. The part where Byte goes all the way to the end and collects the gem and turns around and comes back to the center could be a function. Let's name it collect gem turn around. But you could combine 2 collect gem turns around to make another function, solve row, which is basically just solving that whole row. Collect gem turn around is already filled in for us. Let's try to fill in solve row. Solve row is already called for us, so let's just run the code and see what happens. Great! Solve row now only collects a gem on one side. Let's now add another collect gem turn around to solve row function to collect both the gems on that row. Great! Let's run our code. Amazing! Before we go further, let's take a look at the solve row function. Now it's really easy to read the solve row function, isn't it? You can read it and you'll immediately know what it does. It collects gem, turns around, and does the same for the gem on the other end. Now imagine if you put all the commands to solve this row in the solve row function without decomposing. It'll be so big and it'll be so long and it'll be so hard to read. Aren't we glad that we made small functions? Also, it makes it easy to write our code. After we write collect gem turn around, we don't have to think about what's inside it. We can just call it anytime we want to do it. If we didn't have a function, then we'll have to think about how it works and how we can do it over and over again. I don't know about you, but I am very glad that I don't have to do that. Now, all we need to do is to use solve row to solve the next 2 rows. Let's write turn right, move forward, and now that we're in that row, we want to face the gem, so let's do turn left. And now let's do solve row. Let's run our code. Now that we finished the first 2 rows, let's finish the last row. First, we'll do turn right, then move forward, then, because we want to face the gem, turn left. Let's write solve row. Let's run our code. You're really getting this. Excellent job, everybody. Keep the good work up. I'll see you next week with the last puzzle of functions. If you would like to know when my next video comes out, it's easy, just subscribe. And as always, I am so happy that you're coding with me. Bye for now.